Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we're gonna see the offers that Autodesk has for students. So students and educators can access their product for free as long as they don't use it commercially. Okay, so this is the link I will put in the description. You can access from there, and when you reach this link, you have a bunch of options to select from. So whatever you want to download. Let's say for us, maybe we want to if you are a student, still a student, then you want to download maybe Civil 3D for your final year project. Um, so we can just select it, select the software that you want. Okay, and right now I don't want to transfer. Okay, so select who you are. Okay, so first it says, you see here, earlier, well, while I was in my university, it was for students, it was for 3 years. Okay, right now it's for only 1 year subscription. Okay, and if you're educator, you can have this, free for the qualified institutions, and you can train your students. And also for this IT administrator, there's another feature. So we will see focus on the student part here. So we'll go to the student, this select, and then continue requires verification. Okay, and they will ask you to verify. So you have to prove that you are a student and eligible for it. Okay, so the license you can renew if you are in the second year, then you can again apply for licensing in the third year, and you can provide the certain details that you are still in the university. Okay, so once you have selected the product and you land in this page, then you have to create an account. Okay, so I will fill in the details quickly and then continue. So input your information properly and type in your email addresses, then continue. Click on continue. Agree to the terms and click on continue. And choose your educational role. So you are a student, okay, right now. And choose your birthday. And then continue. Now you have to choose your country for the institution that where your institution is. I'll just keep it in United States, or yeah, and then just put some address and city, state. State, I will say Idaho. No, I will say Utah, Utah, and this is Salt Lake City. And choose your institution type. It's university, and name of your institution, University of Utah. And if school has a website, you just put in there. Okay, and check your and type in your graduation date. So okay, and continue again. Now it asks for certain addresses, so I will just put in the address for my university. And postal code for Utah. Maybe this is the postal code. And once you have entered all your details in the page, then you say continue. So we say try again. Now it will ask for confirmation. So we continue. So you have to log into your university, and once it gets confirmed, you will be sent an email uh, with the licensing and everything. Then for other products, you can easily download it directly from the this link. You can directly download other products. You go and then you can download any of the product that you want. Here, maybe a few products may not be available and will have some limited access and the functionality. However, it's good enough for the students. So this is one of the ways you can uh, use Autodesk if your institution, if you are a student, okay, a student, educator, or a IT administrator for a certain university or campuses. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. See you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot.